Hi, Janet. I know you're looking at my voice for a minute, but I just wondered if you have this browser, Microsoft Edge. If you have Microsoft Edge, you can highlight on a PDF. So when I open the file, it opens as a PDF using Microsoft Edge. And with Microsoft Edge, there are these buttons at the top of the ribbon at the top here, and one of them is a highlighter. And so you can scroll through the document, click on the highlighter, and then you'll be able to highlight. For instance, there's one I missed last night. I thought maybe I should highlight that person. Where is it? I forget now. But anyway, let's say I wanted to highlight Enver. Yeah, that was the one. Here, right? You just use the highlighter, you highlight it, and then you save. Over here is the button to save, just to save. And then it will save all your changes and you can email it back to me. Because it's not going to be, it's not a shared document, it just opens in a particular browser. Unless we make it a shared document, you could do that. I could put it up in, but then that's just more work. So if you have Microsoft Edge, that's what you do.